working on the closet floor. We had to rip up the floor that was in here because we laid it wrong. We laid it on top of the padding for the carpet, and we had to remove that. So now we're laying back down the floor, but we numbered them. Rob numbered them. He was the genius. So now we have to just piece the puzzle back. So I just wanted to record this.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it.
It's the weekend. What old dog? Is he still back there?
Yeah, he's walking along their trees.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh, it's cold. Whew, it's freezing today. Holy Batman. Whew. Some. I'm making me some coffee to go because Rob and I have to go get flooring, a box of flooring for our closet floor because we are working on the closet floor.
Oh, I know whose dog it is.
Last time we laid it down, we laid it over top of the pad for the carpet, and it was just all wrong. So we took up the padding and all that, laid it down. It's good, but a few pieces are damaged, so we have to go and get those pieces from Lowe's. And then I think we're gonna put the same floors all throughout downstairs because for 78 cents a square footage, can't beat that. And I don't mind the 2 different floors because I have gray in my kitchen, and then that's gonna be brown and gray. It has a little bit of gray, so I think they will flow. Anyways, I'm gonna go make my coffee. Good morning to you too, Madison. How are you? Every day. Every day. Good morning. Are we gonna stand up and act like we're 3 years old?
Yep.
Can you let go of my leg, please?
Yep.
Rob's making his coffee. I got mine to go. And we're gonna tackle the morning.
The morning, wow.
Hey. 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 Can you give me kisses? Can you give me kisses? Can you give kisses? I have me a very attached toddler that don't want me to leave. You want some breakfast? No? She's clingy today. I don't know why. Daddy, leave her alone. Rob, leave her alone. Okay, take her out of my hand then. Okay. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I can't. You're too heavy. All right, come down. What do you need? I want you. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, so we're all done at Lowe's. The manager there was really nice. He gave us the floor for half off because the package was open, and I was like, what? Because we were looking to spend $20 on it because that's how much it cost. But he gave it to us for half off. I was like, so the cashier was like, anytime you want anything discounted, just see him. So we're gonna be on the lookout for Rich. I think Rob is going to go get some Chick-fil-A biscuit. Look at Rob. He's a whole Chick-fil-A biscuit. He looks like a Chick-fil-A biscuit. Like I could eat him like as a snack. But there ain't no eating going on here. Let me go put my belt on. I'll see y'all when we get to the house. 2 new text message. Full-H chicken biscuit. It's in the shape of an R. It's in the shape of. It's shaped like a heart. I can't talk today.
What are you saying?
It's shaped like what? Oh my gosh, Rob got me out here eating all dirty. I love that chicken biscuit. It's so good. I promised Maddie candy. Now I'm at Dollar General because I forgot to get it at Lowe's, so I gotta go get her some candy. Okay, so we're done laying down the floors. Rob fixed my closet floor because, like I said, we laid down the floors all wrong. We knew better, but we were just too excited. So we did it wrong. We had to rip up all of that, take out the padding, and lay it down properly. It was a pain in the behind. It wasn't too bad as the first time when we put it down. This time was much easier because it was already cut and everything. We numbered them when we picked them up. So all we had to do was go back in order and how we picked them up. So we only had to replace a few pieces that got damaged, and it's ready for my Ikea Pax system. What's up, peeps? I've abandoned you guys. I don't know why. I've just been in a funk. You know, you get in this funk. You just in a funk. I need to get out the funk because it's not helping my channel at all whatsoever. I went from getting over 60,000 views a month to barely hitting 20-something thousand a month. So I need to stop before, you know, I get down to 0. Work too hard to just let it go. You know what I mean? That's the thing with YouTube. You can't just quit, because all that hard work will go down the drain in a second. I'll go pick up the kids, run to Hobby Lobby, and see what they have. I got some stuff, so I gotta show you guys. And I'm going on Sunday to go get my closet system, to go purchase the frames, so that we can install it. So right now I'm going to Hobby Lobby just to go see what they have, mess around a little bit, and come back, clean the house, hopefully record that for you guys, and cook dinner. So I'll see you guys at Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, so I'm trying to get a planner for my channel so I can stay on top of my videos. And these are $6.24 for that one, and they have the little one, then they have the big ones. So I'm thinking of getting this one. But I don't know. I like this one right here. This guy right here. I think I might get that one. Oh, so pretty. Like, seriously, I got a ton of these yesterday. I like this one. I like all the girls. Seriously. And then they even have more stuff down here. Like they have this right here. This is pretty. And they have these. $2.24. Like, seriously. I think Hobby Lobby is gonna get all my money today. Look at this. $1.99. Like, how stinking cute is that? Seriously, it's really pretty. For $1.99. And then they have these. This one is $1.49. Seriously, why? I have no self-control when it comes to sales. Like, look how good that is. And this is just Big girl and her coffee. Oh, so cute. I can't. This is cute. This would be nice for Destiny. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Okay guys, so my husband's watching TV, so it's kind of loud. So let me do this real fast. This is what I got. $1.99. This is so cute. Seriously, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's so cute. And I got this one. TV's loud, I'm sorry. Oh, cute. Look at that. So cute.
You hear me?
Huh? No, you're fine. That is so cute.
Dad was watching a movie.
I saw already. It's a dog.
It's a dog.
That's pretty. Did you do that? Huh? You have another one? Yeah. Okay. We're just gonna wait here for you. Okay. Ew.
That was gross.
Are you gonna count or no? Are you going to? Oh. You have to start from 1. You have to start from 1.
She gets to 11.
Good job, baby.
He went to 11.
Good job. Turn around. Can we see it now?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. We're waiting.
Just saying it.
Today would be nice. A what? I have to tell my mother what she's saying. Huh? It's pink?
Yeah, let me see.
Yeah, because orange. Orange.
Oh, that's pretty. How many of these dogs do you have?
2.
There you go. Yay.
Yay. Huh?
All finished?
All finished?
No.
No? You have more? We're here at Ikea. Finally. It's the day of install. So I look a hot mess, but that's because I'm excited. Rob is taking me to get my Pax system. Took us an hour and some change. He's the real MVP right there. That's why I love him. My hair is a hot mess, but that's okay. No one is paying attention to my hair because they don't know my excitement or how hard I worked for this. So it's okay. I'm just happy we're here, safe in one piece. The traffic. Well, there wasn't much traffic coming. I don't know about going back, but let's do this. Okay, let's do this. So we have all the boxes, my desk, shelves, and rails so that we can put the closet back together. We're doing it in 2 sections. And we have all the stuff that I got now, and then we're coming back next week for the other half because the truck is not going to fit everything. Hopefully it fits this stuff. Here you go, Rob. You think all of this is going to fit in the truck?
Yeah. I'll make it fit.
He's going to make it fit, so all done. All of this, including my desk. This is the desk right here. Where's the paper? Okay guys, so I washed my hair and I blow dry it with this this guy. And I love this guy because it just kind of like glides through there. So, love blowing it out. Once a month, I blow out my hair. And compare, am I getting a bald spot? Is that a bald spot? Or is it just the way my hair is part? But last year I had no hair. Wasn't it last year or the year before? Whichever year we're closing on the house, I cut my hair off. Whenever time I go through life changes, like major life changes, I always cut my hair off. So this is my hair blown out. You know, all the shrinkage they say, because my hair shrivel up to my head when it's wet. So this is the length of my hair now, and I'm not putting any perm in my hair no time soon. So I'm gonna put some what is this, coconut oil in my hair and put it in a bun, and that's it. All done. I was gonna put makeup on, but then I was like, I don't want to deal with the breakouts, so I just did my eyebrows and it looks okay. And I did my edges. So I go in with some black edge control to help with the sparseness in my hairline, because I lost my hairline when I did my braids, and I haven't put braids back in my hair, so I'm proud of myself. I was gonna put braids in my hair yesterday, but then I was like, I don't want to lose a little bit of hair that came back in, so yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna buy a wig. I think I'm gonna get a wig, but I don't know what kind to get yet, because you know, summer's coming. Well, I want to get a wig for the summertime. Summer is not coming. Summer is nowhere near here, but I want to get a wig for the summertime, but I want it to be short because I don't want to deal with the length of anything right now. So yeah, hopefully I can get one off of Amazon for a really good price. Good morning.